Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use a stretch strap. This one's the Pure PT stretch strap to mobilize your knee after a total knee replacement. The first exercise is the strap assisted knee flexion. You can see I pass it over my shoulder. As I flex the trunk forward, it pulls the foot back. Pretty basic. Then I hook the strap on the inside doorknob just to make sure it doesn't slip off. I loop the strap and pass my foot through it so the strap's down around the ankle. And as I slide the chair back, the strap creates a little bit of traction force through the knee. This improves extension. I'm doing a pendulum exercise side to side. Then I go into a contract relax exercise where I flex the knee to extend the knee. And then when I'm done with that, I can remove the strap. I can grab onto the handles, secure it, and I do an assisted sit to stand, a squat. So I'm doing it from a 19-inch chair. I do a double leg. I could progress to a single leg. This is obviously more demanding, doubles the resistance. And then finally, once I'm ready, I remove the chair as the safety net and I can go into a full depth double leg squat. This is the last exercise in this series, but these are all doable at home with minimal equipment.